I'm making too much money in futures to give you long videos right now, so I'm going to do a quick update of what's going to happen Thursday, June 23rd into Friday, June 24th. It's going to be really simple, so it's going to be fast. Here we go. First thing you need to note that Bitcoin dominance is not really going back up. It has met a horizontal and is going down. Therefore, price targets for Ethereum and altcoins are going to structurally be higher than Bitcoin. This is the crux of the analysis and should be yours as well. Bitcoin is not going to outperform alts. Alts should by far outperform Bitcoin. So really trading alts right now, if you're in long positions, is going to be the way to go. However, with that, I'm going to use Ethereum as the basis and the voice of reason. It has been for a while, especially when Bitcoin dominance is going down. Ethereum is the item to look at. It's just the way it is. And if you don't think I'm right, you're probably wrong. You're right. Anyway, but it's going to make it easier. Watch. You have 2017 support resistance. It's a horizontal that goes back to 2017. That exact number, 1160, and the exact number of about roughly 1240, so let's just round down 1240, those two lines are going to be ever important. And remember my rule, when two important lines cross, price tends to get sucked into it. For some strange reason, might be liquidity, so a liquidity grab, magnet, I don't know what it is, it's probably that though, but price gets sucked into it. So do those two horizontal lines, 1160 and 1240, match up with other important lines? Let's take a look. And lo and behold, the bottom of this, so the green horizontal here, see this green horizontal, this guy, it crosses with the point of control of the triple-decker Ethereum channel, and that's at about 1160. So price of Ethereum is probably going to be attracted today, Thursday, June 23rd, to 1160. For Friday, if the trend continues, and again, this is an if you start getting even 15-minute lower highs and a lower low, then you're going to start saying, hey, 1240 might be becoming off the table if the 15-minute trend or even the 5-minute trend starts changing. Does that make sense? But I'm going to give you an exact point of invalidation for at least today, and then you'd have to move up the invalidation point tomorrow. But today, the immediate target is 1160. I think it's highly probable. You have higher highs and higher lows in the 5-minute, even the 4-hour really, and that's the immediate target. For Friday, so tomorrow the 24th, your target is just the top of this line because it meets with what? The top of the channel line on Ethereum. It meets with the point of control today, meets with the top of the channel tomorrow. So these two numbers literally are your targets, and your invalidation point for today, Thursday, is simply this breakpoint right here, and that comes in at 1102. If price of Ethereum goes below 1102, and so here's the key, and uses it as resistance. So I'll draw that out. And as resistance. So not this, because that's not invalidation. Because why? It hasn't used that point as resistance yet. That's 1102, the bottom of this box. If this does happen, in the exact moment it happens, then what? It's not quite invalidated, but it's below it. That means you have a coin flip chance that those upper targets of 1160 for today will be hit. It's a coin flip, right? But if you see this happen at like a few minutes afterward, within a half hour or something, boom, 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 and then a tick down at that moment, especially if it goes below any local low. So something like that effect, and it goes below that. Here, let's say it goes below 1102 and makes a local low, comes up, gets rejected, but the rejection is not confirmed until it ticks below whatever low it made as it crossed. So as price crosses 1102, it'll make a low, come up to retest it. Therefore, that's your local low. And after it gets rejected and then price goes below the local low, then that is your invalidation. You can take 1160 off the table, and you could probably take 1240 off the table for Friday. And 1102 is the key. And the key is go below and use as resistance. That's all you need to know for today. The trend is up, or at least in the time frames I'm using that are relevant for Thursday, June 23rd, and Friday, June 24th. The trend is up. The trend will change when you see that happening. And if the trend doesn't change, therefore 1102 is not broken below and used as resistance, Then 1160 and 1240 for Ethereum are your targets. And I'm telling you, when Bitcoin dominance is going down, it's easier to look at Ethereum. It'll give you a better basis point. And so if you want to see the difference from a structural standpoint, I don't think Bitcoin, with Bitcoin dominance going down, will hit the top of its channel. So I will go to Bitcoin. And I think as Ethereum hits the top, I'm going to go to the 15-minute chart. So we're in a 110-day long channel, as you can see. This is the top of Bitcoin's channel, way up. So Friday would be the 24th here. It's not going to get there by Friday. Like that. That's not going to happen. But for Ethereum, it looks like it easily could. Bitcoin, though, if you stop looking at the channel, try to at least, you can see the structure of an inverse head and shoulders. Boom, 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 boom. See this area here? Well, those wick highs are probably going to be Bitcoin's upper limit in the most bullish before Friday. I do not see Bitcoin getting over 22,800 by Friday. And so if Ethereum hits 1240 on Friday per the upper channel, Bitcoin will probably only be here at 22,800 because Bitcoin dominance is not rising. Click this video right here if you want some futures trading tips that you haven't heard anywhere else. A lot of people find it helpful. And click this video right here if you don't know how to set up a chart and you're really missing out on gaining profits in crypto. It's a 28-minute tutorial. Even teach you how to set object tree, and you can make things appear and disappear real easily. It's a good thing to check out. You just got Timothy Worldwide. Peace.